Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making drumstick recipe. Yummy and easy to make. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoons, drumstick 750 grams, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. Give a nice mix. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make powder: Kashmiri chili 4, red chili 3, coriander 3 tablespoons, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, pepper powder half tablespoon, shazira half tablespoon, whole spices, make fine powder, red chili masala powder. We can store this masala powder for 3 months. Cashew nuts optional. Fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. Coriander on top, ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.